Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Victoria. Welcome to Pembroke Beauty. And today, obviously, I did this like woodland purple fairy look. You could wear it pretty much to any festival if you wanted to, but I am in particular going to a fairy festival today, and I felt like I should just film so that you guys can see how I'm getting ready to go. So this is the look I did, and if you do want to see how I got it, then definitely keep on watching. So I first went in with the Body Shop Drops of Youth Serum, and I placed all over my face as per usual as my moisturizer and primer. Then I went in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. Since I don't wear foundation, I just put this over any darkness and any redness I had on my skin, and I blended in with my finger. As you guys know, the huge. Then I set all that down with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Powder in Warm Light with this Morphe Beautiful in Bronze brush. Then I bronzed up my skin with this e.l.f. Ultimate Face Brush and the Colourpop Private Party Bronzer. And I placed this, you know, everywhere you bronze, so I contoured with it as well. So in my cheekbones and on my forehead, around my nose, under my chin, just to give myself some warmth. Then I blushed up my face with Balm Springs from the Balm. It is like a very pretty pink, and this Luxie 660 brush. Then I went in with the Soph X Makeup Revolution palette, their highlighting palette, and I really like this. I actually wasn't a huge fan when I first used it, and the more I've used it, the more I enjoy it. So I went in with the same Luxie brush in with the lavender shade. Then I did my brows with the NYX Brow Mascara in Chocolate, as per usual, again. Then I went in again with the Soph X highlighting palette in with an e.l.f. concealer brush into the lavender shade and highlighted my brow bone and my inner corners. Then I went in with the NYX Ultimate Brights palette with this big Morphe Beautiful in Bronze blending brush in with the lavender shade, and I placed this all throughout my crease, just doing windshield wiper motions, and then I really blew it out and put it underneath of my eyes as well because I wanted this to be a very fun and bright pink look. Bright pinky purple. Then I went in with this Elizabeth Mott blending brush and in with the more neon pink-ish purple and in with the very bright pink. And I mixed those together on the brush and blended them through our crease, adding a little bit more depth and color to our crease, and I placed this underneath of our eyes as well. Then I went back in with the first brush with no additional product and blended everything out. Then sticking with the Elizabeth Mott blending brush, I went in again with the like bright lilac fuchsia-ish shade and with the deepest purple in the palette. And I placed this again a little bit lower in our crease. Then I went in with the Morphe pencil brush and I went into the blue shade and the dark purple shade in the palette, and I placed this more focusing it lower and in the outer corners of our eyes to add a little bit more dimension. I also placed this underneath of our eyes. Then I blended this out again with the Elizabeth Mott blending brush with no additional product. Then I went in with the Lime Crime Dewdrops. I think this is in the shade Pixie, like Liquid Shadow, and this is so beautiful, and then I just placed it onto my lid and blended it out with an e.l.f. concealer brush. But this is like a pinky purple green duochrome. Like, I feel like it is definitely pixie colored, so it's the perfect name. So then to blend out the edges of this, I just went in with those three shades, as you can see, blended them all onto the Elizabeth Mott blending brush and did little circular motions right on the outer portion of the eye to add a little bit more depth to the look and to blend the glitter shadow into the matte shadows. Then I went in with a little bit more of those dewdrops and placed them on an e.l.f. concealer brush and put them underneath of our eyes. So as you can see here, that's what it looks like without any liner. Now I'm going in to do a wing with the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, which you guys know is my all-time favorite liner. So if you wanted to skip the wing, you absolutely didn't have to, but I felt like why not just do a little wing here? Because I wasn't actually wearing wings to the Faerie Festival, I at least had to have them on my eyes. Then I went in with the NYX Ultimate or Vivid Brights liner in Vivid Blossom, and it's a light pink, and I placed this right underneath of our wing. I brightened up our waterline with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Then I placed the Lemonhead Space Paste, the silver one, all over my cheeks, and I set all of that down with the e.l.f. Illuminating Mist and Set. Then I went in with lashes. This time I went in with the Kiss Ever Easy lashes, and then I topped it off with the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. Then I lined my lips with the Starfire Cosmetics lip liner, went in with Kat Von D's liquid lipstick, and then topped it off with Wisteria from Lime Crime in their Velveteen. Then I placed the Starfire Liquid Illuminator all over my body. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this where I do like festival and like mythical and magical looks, then definitely comment that down below. If you want to follow me on Instagram, that would be awesome. I'll put the handle here. And please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so that you get notifications every single time that I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a magical day.